In this video, we're going to find the zeros in the vertex form of f of x equals x squared plus 10x plus 10. So I'm going to start by setting my function equal to 0. And then I'm going to try a magic x. That's always where I start. I would need two numbers that multiply to 10 and add to 10, and we know that that's not possible. So the next thing I'm going to use is my quadratic formula to find my root. So I go x equals negative b, which would be the 10, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 10 squared, minus 4 times my a value, which would be the 1 in front of the x squared, times 10, which is the c value, all over 2 times my a value of 1. We've got negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 10 squared is 100. 4 times 1 times 10 is 40, all over 2. Then we've got negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 60 divided by 2. And then I need to do the square root of 60. So I'm going to split that into two separate radicals. So I need to go down my square numbers list. So I'm looking at 4. 4 divides 60 15 times. And then I've got 2 on the bottom. So we've got negative 10 plus or minus. The square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 15 over 2. And then I'm going to factor out a 2. So I'm factoring a 2 out. Got negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 15 over 2. These 2's would cancel, and I would get negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 15 as my answer. Now I need to go back and I need to do vertex form. So I'm going to start by taking my function and making it y equals. So y equals x squared plus 10x plus 10. I'm going to bring this 10 to the left side by subtracting. Put in some plus blanks because I'm going to complete the square to find the vertex form. I'm going to set up my cheating factoring. Take 10, divide it by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. I square the 5. I get 25 to both sides. I'm going to do negative 10 plus 25 is positive 15. And then I'm going to move this back to the other side by subtracting. So I get x plus 5 squared minus 15.